In today's video, we have the unboxing of one of the greatest games of all time, Grand Theft Auto 5. I know it came out 5 years ago, but this video today is brand new. Before we actually get into the unboxing, I already have GTA 4 on Xbox 360. I have it on games for Windows, PC. Okay, so without further ado, let us get into the unboxing. So, I already cut the top off. We don't need that no more. Nor do we need this. Here it is, GTA 5. The trailer for the game came out in 2011, November 2nd, 2011. I will remember that for the rest of my life. And then 2 years later, 2013, Rockstar bring out GTA 5, the greatest games of all time. This year was the anniversary, 10-year anniversary for GTA 4 itself. So that was nice. Let us get into the box. So we got the knife. We don't need any of that. Get rid of this. This is brand new, £15 from Amazon. There you go. Beautiful instruction booklet, manuals, the guide, the map. Close that, put it back in. The discs themselves, I don't want to break it. We'll leave that in for later. That's the back, the side, the bottom, the top, the other side. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of GTA 5 on Xbox 360 and other platforms. I'll see you guys in my next video, tutorial programming video. Thank you so much. Thanks for now.